Welcome to IBC 2018. I'm on the Easyrig booth together with Rasmus, and I have a challenge for you because I have here my camera rig. It's 7.5 kilos.
7.5.
And what kind of Easyrig do I need for this?
Normally I would have recommended the Mini Max, but it goes from 2 to 7 kilos. It might carry this camera, but let's be on the safe side and try the Vario 5.
Okay.
So the Vario 5 has a variable weight radio that it can take, so it can lift from 5 to 17 kilos.
So if I add even more, then I'm safe.
Yeah, no problem. It's just to turn up the tension of the line. Should we try it?
Yes, of course.
The Vario 5 looks like this. It has the new Quickrelease on it.
I think the balance is more here.
More there?
Yeah, more to the back.
Okay.
Just, I think that must be the balance point.
Yep. And let's try it. This is just like a big backpack to put on. Yeah.
Very nice soft straps.
Yeah. So suck in your stomach. I can tighten it up. Good. Not too tight.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we have the upper part as well. And then we have those side straps here that needs to be tightened as well. And the same on this side. Will this lift your camera?
Yes, it lifts my camera. Can it be more to the front a little bit? I think this is better because here with the battery solution, it's now
And we have an even longer arm if you want the camera even further away from you.
Okay, and this now on a shoulder setup, so probably if you use it like this, you just rebuild some configuration, make it a bit shorter, and
make
it feels really nice with just the camera grip here and here hand on the follow focus, so you can make nice shots. Let's film the camera operator.
Yeah. That is also using a Easyrig.
Nice. Oh, wait. Yeah. This feels really nice. So let's make a shot of you.
Yeah, of course.
Really nice.
But is the camera totally weightless? Let it go.
That's scary. I
scary.
worked a lot of long hours to get this kit together, and it's now hanging on one piece of string. So.
One piece of string.
But this feels great.
You are using the new Quickrelease system as well. So when you're done filming, you push this lid downwards and you push this lever upwards.
Okay.
Like that. And just to attach it again, it's to slam it on. Yeah?
And what's the price point of the Easyrig setup like this?
3,200 euro.
Okay.
Something around there. The Mini Max is $1,000. And it's only for the smaller cameras, 2 to 7 kilo.
So maybe if I strip down like this arm and the battery and have it lighter, then I can also go with this one.
Then you can go with this one, no problem.
Yeah.
And the Mini Max can also have the Quickrelease installed to it. With the Easyrig, it is very easy to fold and just make it compact. Just do it like that. And then you attach the clip to the vest.
And it comes in a bag.
It comes in a travel bag as well. So
thanks, Rasmus.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, Robert.
Thank you.
And thanks for watching.